Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have some Christmas shapes. We are going to make these. They're large, very large, these in my hands. Christmas tree ornaments. I call everything a bauble. I'm well aware everything isn't a bauble. But these all have the little hole at the top to be hung. I guess you could hang these in a window if you wanted to as well. They are big enough if you put them together. Nice 3 of them. We're going to keep things simple today. We are doing all 3 of them with some silver holographic glitter. This is by Hemway. I got this on Amazon. It looks super cool. Look at that. Wow. So, what I think I'm going to do is pour some resin in here, put a decent amount of glitter in, pour that in, and then top up with clear resin. But we'll see how we get on. So let me just mix up my resin and then I'll be right back. Now I am using Decor Rom resin, which is quite thick, I found, for me anyway. I don't know if anyone else out there has got any experience with it. It's not proving very good for things with intricate detail where you need the resin to spread quite freely and to be very liquidy. I find it's better for things like this that are bigger. The resin doesn't tend to move all that much compared to other resins I've used in the past. It also holds a lot of air bubbles, which is a little, I won't say annoying, it's not annoying, it's just sort of difficult, I guess. But then I am a mere novice when it comes to resin, so on this little journey with me. My lid open. Now I want to be generous but not go too over the top. Let's mix that in and see how we are. Okay, already that might have been a bit overly enthusiastic with the glitter on my part. But glitter is amazing and life itself, so you can never have too much. And plus these will want to look nice and twinkly under the light, so I'm going to go for a little bit more. There we go. Now I think I'm going to pour and then try and move it or spread it about a bit with my trusty wooden sticks, so let's jump right in. You'll see here on this one actually, it doesn't freely spread behind, it takes a while to go. So if you let this go off at all before you start working with it, I find it quite difficult. But again, that could just be me. You might fare far better with it. Now I've got these bits in the middle on this one as well, which are actually raised higher. Oh, completely missed it, damn. And again. Okay, so cleanup is required on this one. Let's go for our star. go. It's finally spread out the back of that one. Right, I'm just going to go back round. Okay, so I don't think I need to move it around with the stick. I've got this little bit left in the bottom. I'm just going to use this cup to mix up more resin, so the glitter's still going to be in the resin. Yeah, let's do that now. Something I do like about the Decor Rom resin is that the bottles come with these handy pump tops, and it's one pump to one pump, so you don't need to measure it or weigh it or anything like that. It's so much easier than other resins. Super quick, and it means that they can just sit like that. It doesn't go off. Or I've found it hasn't gone off. They've been there for a while, should we say? I don't want to confess how long. Okay, that looks really glittery on its own. So again, I'm just going to go around top up. If I need more resin, I can do a couple more pumps, which is cool. There we go. Yeah, I need a couple more. Do 2 pumps of each. 2, and I'm actually going to put a little bit of glitter in this. There we go, because I don't have a lot of residual glitter in the cup. Okay, and now I'm ready to top up the star. Now I'm just looking to see if everything looks even. This isn't here, but I think that might be where the base is springing up, so I'm going to have to put a heavy book on this side when I leave it to cure. tiny bit more, I think. Awesome. I've used all my resin. It's all completely gone. I should have counted how many pumps that was, but I didn't. And now I've forgotten. Never mind, we'll find out next time. So, these already look pretty cool to me. I'm aware you can't really see the holographic look on camera, but they'll look even better when we demold them. So, I'll see you then. Okay, it's a couple of days later, everything is nice and set. So we're going to demold. I'm not expecting them to be massively different. Oh, look, holographic. Awesome. Yeah, I'm not expecting the other side to be massively different. It's glitter and resin, so it should be relatively similar on both sides, if not exactly similar. So let's just jump straight in. Mold's pretty clean, which is always nice. And I'm going to give them a wipe down just to try and get these glitter. Glitters, what would you call a bit of glitter? A singular glitter off? Ta-da! Ooh, so pretty. Yeah, the glitter's denser on this side, just where it has sunk down. And this mould seems to have bulged here. Okay, that's alright. So that would be this one here. You can see it's a different shape. That's okay, gives it character. This one's stuck there. Now these centre parts were shallower than the outside part on the tree, so I wonder if that's going to look different at all. This one definitely looks thinnest. Oh, I really like that. That's really cool. The depth here just gives that added dimension as well. She's so sparkly, awesome. Now the bell. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, I love holographic glitter so much. It's definitely my favourite thing. Also, let me know what you think. I love them. I think they're really cool. Cool. Have a great day. Bye.